Favorite vegetable? I love bhindi.
My favorite vegetable, sweet potato.
Films is an amalgamation of all different genres, and you need to have actors to do everything.
In fact, I feel honored and blessed that as an actor, I've had the opportunity today to hopefully break this compartmentalization of belonging purely to the commercial genre or getting...
Anand is my youngest child, and he's very, very religious and deeply rooted in spirituality. He has fought obesity throughout his life.
In the balance, I lost a parent. I've gained 2 siblings in the last 4 years. I've had to deal with obesity, I've had to deal with success failure, I've had to deal with a lot of things.
Awards, I personally feel, is a token of appreciation given to you by colleagues or by few people in the jury.
That's when you become a leader. So try to be a leader in your field. And you don't have to be the top of your game to be a leader. You have to be an everyday leader. The world needs everyday leaders. Yeah. In smaller environments, for everyday people, for your colleagues, for your family.
If the story does not have that substance, it has to be something that the people relate with today. Girls find it empowering. Only then we can do Mardani 3,
But there is still so much work to do. And for me, that is the fuel to my fire. The reason I'm so committed to this cause, and that is where my passion stems from. Because I know that a girl's education not just empowers families, but communities and economies.
What I really like from my heart is Uttarakhandi diet, gehet ki dal, or chesu. Then we have the rice we call bhat. And then my favorite dessert in the world is arse.
Some rice for Deepika. Does that work? Is that what you ordered? Yes, and okay. Of course, because I know that you're constantly on a diet, so a nice fruit platter. Some dessert. Okay, what dessert?
These are the same guys जो इनकी ट्रोलिंग कर रहे हैं. They are obsessed with them ना. आप बोलते हो nepotism and all that, लेकिन देखनी तो आपको शाहरुख खान की daughter की फोटो है.
Thank you for following me for all this while and knowing how long I've been there. And I just want to explain what nepotism really means.
Honestly, I don't remember a particular moment in the narration with Zoya where I realized, okay, this is the reason I'm doing the film.
And once I kind of figured out what the job was and how it feels when all eyes are on you at every single moment, and you can trip up or say the wrong thing at any given moment, and you'll be the one who'll have the center of attention. You have to come to terms with that.
I think it's so beautiful. If you see, it was a 4-tier cake.
But today we have a really large cake, and it's going to be a little bit of an intricate delivery just because it's so large and it's kind of far away. So we have 5 tiers. It's a 5-tier wedding cake.
You're asking me in general, not specifically to that issue. नहीं तो आप specific question पूछिए. In general, I think it's a very normal human nature to try and help people who you love and who you care for. It's a very.
कभी आलिया के साथ ऐसा होता है कि वो आउटफिट रिपीट करती हैं?
हाँ बिल्कुल. मैं तो सब कुछ रिपीट करती हूँ. जूते, बैग, जीन्स, आउटफिट. क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए? आपके वार्डरूम में 365 डेज का कपड़ा तो नहीं हो सकता है ना. तो मैं बहुत रिपीट करती हूँ और रिपीट करना नॉर्मल है. प्लीज.
No, I'm as normal as everyone else. No, don't make me that perfect.